Hello mga ka-national! Are you guys excited for the incoming school year 2025 to 2026? Pero teka, nakapag-enroll na ba ang lahat? Kung hindi pa, tamang-tama dahil may sasabihin ako sa inyo. For incoming grade 11 students, ito ang mga steps na gagawin nyo sa enrollment. Ilagay ang grade level to enroll o ang grade level mo sa pasukan. Huwag mong kalimutang ilagay ang iyong Learner Reference Number o LRN sa right side ng enrollment form. After that, you need to fill out the learner's personal information na makikita sa number 3. Ilagay ang mga information na hinihingi katulad ng iyong last, first, and middle name. Gayon din ang iyong birth date, age, sex, place of birth, religion, and mother tongue sa right side ng papel. Don't forget to fill out your address. Next to fill out ay ang parents or guardians information sa number 5. Isulat ang mga hinihinging impormasyon para dito. Sa ikalimang numero, makikita sa part na ito kung ang learner is under the Special Needs Education Program. Kung meron, i-check ang yes at check only one from A1 or A2. Kung hindi naman, i-check lang ang no and proceed sa next number. Ngunit, ang ika-6 na numero ay para lamang sa mga balik-aral. Last, huwag kalimutan ang signature over printed name of the parent or guardian at ang date. I-check ang first semester for learners in senior high school only. Bago ang lahat, dapat alam mo muna ang career na gusto mong i-pursue. Pero kung hindi mo pa alam ang iyong dream career, huwag kang mag-alala dahil the A to Z career option might help you for choosing your own dream career. Next, choose what is your most preferred curriculum exit. Check only one of these options. Higher education or college, middle level skills DET or TESDA, entrepreneurship or negosyo, or employment o trabaho. Ngayon, kung nakapili ka na ng preferred curriculum exit, pumili ka ng isa between the two tracks, which are the academic and technical professional tracks. Make sure na naka-align ang kukunin mong track sa iyong dream career para mas ma-enhance pa ang iyong mga skills at galing. Kung ang iyong pipiliin ay ang academic track, may dalawang options ka para dito. Ito ay ang pure academic o academic track with doorway. But, what's the difference? Kung ang pinili mo ay pure academic lang, pipili ka ng 2 electives related to your career path. But if you prefer the option academic track with doorway, pipili ka lang ng isang technical professional o tech pro elective kahit nasa academic track ka. Also, choose 7 academic electives from the course catalog na iti-take mo during the first semester of grade 12. Ganon din kung ang iyong pipiliin is technical professional o tech pro track. Kung pure tech pro lang, pipili ka ng 2 electives related to your career path. Pero, kung ang iyong pipiliin ay Tech Pro track with doorway, pipili ka lang ng isang Technical Professional o Tech Pro elective at pipili ka rin ng 3 academic electives from the course catalog na iti-take mo during the first semester of grade 12. Lastly, huwag kalimutang pirmahan at lagyan ito ng date. Sana ay naliwanagan kayo sa steps sa enrollment. Always remember, our choices reflects our dreams and our future. So think it through, choose what inspires you, and get ready for the future. Because this is your path, your power, your senior high school journey. See you sa Enrollment Ka National!